Meditate with Rosalia will activate your power using very unusual methods, but at the same time will lead to clarity of your own potential and to understanding how this life works. What are the rules and why it doesn't matter what we do or how we live, we are slaves of all what's happened around us. It is time to understand how our body and mind work and what life itself is. We can experience joy in every moment. It sounds very unusual, but actually that is the nature of human beings. And now, more than ever, we have the possibility to experience it. It is time to connect. It is time to activate our power and to live life full of freedom and wisdom. In this new evolution of the earth energy, you don't need anymore to meditate for years in order to achieve realization. Sometimes it takes just a moment to understand who you are. We're all ready for the next level of awareness. Join Meditate with Rosalia and experience yourself. I'm looking forward to see you.